At the heart of the Melobuds N70 are dual drivers, a dynamic driver for impactful bass and mid-range, paired with a MEMS tweeter for crisp highs. This combination creates a well-balanced soundstage that feels immersive without overpowering. LDAC and high-res wireless certification unlocks higher bitrate streams for audiophiles, delivering detail and clarity usually reserved for wired listening. Personalized EQ via the companion app maps individual hearing sensitivity, producing a unique sound signature tuned to each listener. This feature makes the N70 highly versatile, adapting as well to classical music as to podcasts. The result? A genuinely premium listening experience that punches well above its price point. The QCY Melobuds N70 stand out as a serious competitor in the true wireless market. With high-res audio, dual drivers, best-in-class ANC, personalized EQ, and long-lasting battery life, these earbuds deliver features usually associated with much higher price points. Add IPX5 durability, wireless charging, AI-enhanced call clarity, and you get a package that blends innovation, practicality, and with great value.